after having a glass of wine, you just need a quick rinse. Usually you turn on the faucet, rinse it out like that. You now may want to try this one. Alright, this is my kitchen sink. Since we don't use this soap dispenser right here, so I'm gonna replace this thing with this glass rinser right here. If you don't want to do this, you can drill hole with this side right here. Alright, after taking this soap dispenser out of this sink right here, since my hole is too big, I have to use this spacer right here. This thing has an angle, so make sure it's angled downward to your sink, so the water gonna flow properly down.
I'm gonna put this on the top. As you can see, we're gonna go down and
test with the water before you do anything else.
So I'm gonna test the water right here to see if properly go down before you tighten up below. So use this ripper right here. To use this metal right here. Okay, use the round nut right here and screw to secure it.
Okay, so when you're done with everything below, give it a shake, make sure, and test it one more time with the water to see any leak. And then we can go ahead to do the next step is connect the water hose. So we have a T right here. Make sure you don't lose any gaskets. If not, the water gonna get leaked. So the T, one of the end.
To disconnect your water hose, and make sure you have some rag or towel below to catch any dripping.
So after that, just
Okay, we just connect everything. This is the main water, this to my faucet, and this one to the glass rinser. And we go up to the top over there, and I'm gonna release a small amount of water in case anything get leaks. I will fix it. Right now everything is good, no leak. You can use this towel to check, paper towel to check, and I'm good to go here, no leak, very clean. And let's go to the top to see. Oh, right, the last step, you can put this thing on and ready to enjoy. Okay, I just grabbed a cup and let's test it out. Let's see. Wow. On my hand right now I have a baby bottle with a little milk in there. Just check it. And see this empty milk bottle, and I'm gonna clean this with this thing. Pretty good, huh? Next I'm gonna use some yogurt right here to make this thing look like it's dirty, and see how well this thing can clean.
I'm gonna put the whole cup dirty.
Right, it's look dirty enough. Okay, let's try it. That's first try. As you can see, it's still a little dirty on the top. Try a little more. I turn around. Okay, After you try all around his clip. To wrap up this video, you're gonna need this product if you are looking for quick rinse after you have a cup of wine. Just pour it out and rinse it, and it's worked pretty well for the tall cup or bottle like this. Is if it's hard to reach at the bottom. And thanks to the seller Lesotho sending out this to me to test out. If you're looking for a glass rinser like this, I put the link of the seller in the description. You might check it out. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.